Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today. I have had Happy Mail arrive, and it is such a big box. Oh my goodness me. So I thought I'm so dying to get in here. I know it's from the lovely Joanne Sanderson, so oh my gosh, I cannot wait to get in here, but I thought I wanted to do it on camera. So this box is too big to be able to keep it on the table, so what I can do is take it off the table and then get everything out. So oh my gosh, when I did open it and have a little peek inside, and the first thing I saw was for Franny. Look how sweet that is. Look, this box is just mega full in here. So I'm going to pull this off the table, and oh my gosh, so this is for Fran. Look at that. So let me go in a bit. This is for Franny, so I'm going to put that aside for Franny to open when I next see her. There is a card in here, and it is just beautiful. I absolutely love it, and I love this postcard, and it's got, look, Mrs. Chanel Wise on here. Happy birthday. It's a late birthday presents in here. So, and it just is just beautiful. And look at this, to the most wonderful friend one could ask for. That is just so beautiful. I will treasure this. This is just beautiful. Thank you so much, Joanne. You don't know how much this means to me, really. Just beautiful. Look, it actually brought tears to my eyes, just the card. And I've only, not just the card, I mean, you know, seeing the card, I mean, oh my gosh. So, right, let's have a look in here. Oh, there's a box here. What is this? You didn't do a very good job of that, Chanel, did you? Oh, it's always so exciting when you get Happy Mail. What is this? Oh, are they bottles? Oh wow. Oh, look. Oh, they're gladiolis. She knows I love gladiolis. They are my favourite flower. Oh my gosh, I used to have gladioli in my garden years ago. Oh, aren't they beautiful? I have to go and get my spade out now, and my fork. I might get Charming to do it. Oh, that is just so thoughtful. I'm like bulbs, gladioli. Oh, that's just lovely. That really is. Oh, look at these. Oh, look, storage. Oh my gosh, storage containers filled with goodies. What are these? Oh, they are card writing set. Look. Gorgeous cards and envelopes. Let's have a look in here. Oh, these are cute. Look at these. Do you know what is very, 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 very weird? I was watching a tutorial yesterday, and it was Pam from the Paper Outpost, and she was using cards. But they were cards that, you know, you wouldn't necessarily, you know, want to, you know, keep them the front of it. But these, I wouldn't have to decorate the front of the cards, because look, these are just gorgeous. I could do some collage in. Oh, look, just to say hello. Hello. Oh, these are beautiful. Loving their envelopes as well. Lovely. Oh my gosh, it is Christmas, and I've just dropped that on the floor, and I don't want to lose it. Oh, come back here. Come back, come back. Washi. I can see some washi. Oh, look. She's put 3 of these in. You are enough. Oh, look at these. Let me just put this to one side for a minute. Oh, look at this storage compartment box. They can go in front of me on my desk. There's 2 of these, I think. I'm sure I've seen another one in there. Oh, aren't these beautiful? Organizer Essential Set. She knows what I'm like. I have a million organisers. I do, actually. Oh, look. Washi tape and paper clips and a ruler. Oh, look. I do have one. There's both sizes, actually. And it says, you are enough. Be the best you can be. Dreaming, after all, is a form of planning. Oh, aren't they gorgeous? Oh, thank you so much. Oh, my gosh. I love my planner things. I love my... Oh, look, washi, washi, washi. Oh, my gosh. I absolutely love them. Do you know what? I do not go to Wilkinson's. Maybe I shouldn't, because I will just see lots of things. Oh, look, there is another one here. Look. Oh, cats. I don't know where she finds this. Oh. Oh, all you need is love and a cat. Oh, a crazy cat lady. Oh, these are fantastic. Oh, I love them. Look, another one of these as well. Oh, I just love these. I have got these all around my craft room now. And I crazy cat lady. That is so true. I'm going to have that probably on my desk when I work. Oh, and look. Oh, cat postcards. Oh, these are fantastic. Oh, I love these. I love these. I love these. Oh, I love these. I'm sorry. I can't. Oh, that's all falling apart, but it doesn't matter. Because look at all of these cat images. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, delicious. Absolutely delicious. Oh, she knows me too well. How she finds all of these things with me in mind, I do not know. I love that. Is just adorable. Oh, gosh. Oh, what is this? I see something old. I see something. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, it is an old book. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh gosh, I can't get into this quick enough. I'm like, oh look, let me just turn it around the right way. Oh, look at this old book. Oh, 60 Years a Queen. Wow. Oh, look at these lovely images. Oh, look, Her Majesty the Queen at age 4. This is the story of Queen Victoria. Oh, she knows I absolutely love Queen Victoria. Let me zoom out. She knows I love Queen Victoria, and look at all of this. Oh, look at these beautiful images. Oh, I love it. Oh, look. Right, well, my mind is made up. I need to make a Queen Victoria journal. I have so many bits and pieces now. I know she sent me other things before from Queen Victoria, and I've got stuff that I've collected myself. That's it. My mind is now made up. I now need to make a Queen Victoria album. Oh, I kind of don't want to ruin this book, though. Look at it. Oh, I'm just loving it, loving it. I do not know where you found this, but it is just me. It is me. It's got me all over it. Oh, this is fantastic. Thank you so much, Joanne. You are just the sweetest. You really are. The state reception at Buckingham Palace, entrance of the Prince and Princess of Wales. Oh, it's beautiful. I absolutely love everything. And I know that this in the box here is for Joshua. It's a glow solar system kit. Oh my gosh, he's going to love, love, love this. He absolutely... It says, bring space into your bedroom with this model solar system, including hundreds of glow-in-the-dark shapes. He is going to love that. In fact, it's actually his birthday, on the 18th, no, 17th of this month. So I'm going to keep it and wrap it up from you for him. So he's got an extra birthday present. How cool would that be? Oh, Joanne, you are such a sweetheart, honestly. You spoil me rotten. I love absolutely everything. You're so thoughtful, honestly. Get off the card, you'll ruin it. I am going to treasure everything. I'm such a lucky girl. I'm a brat. And I will let you know how Franny likes her parcel as well. So this is my happy mail for today. I've got lots of things to play with now. And oh, look, see, now I have to make another journal. It has to be done, I'm afraid. It has to be done. I'm going to start gathering all my bits and pieces together in a little folder and definitely make a Queen Victoria journal. Oh, exciting. How exciting. Right, I am off. I've got lots to do today. I will see you all very soon. And Joanne, love you to pieces. Thank you so much, darling. And I will speak to you soon. And I will see you all very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.